Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, USB adapter, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, rollover protection system, security system, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.